Welcome to Minexa.ai, the fastest way to scrape financial prices from websites like ambito.com in minutes, no coding needed. Here I am on the ambito.com page, where the historical financial market data table is visible and ready. From here, just hit the Minexa.ai extension icon, and Minexa does the rest automatically. With the panel open, press I'm on the right page, so Minexa can instantly detect the financial prices layout. Pagination detected. Minexa will automatically move through every page to gather all your financial price data. Here, choose between scraping the list only, or extracting full details from each result page for deeper data. Continue for most pages, or pick advanced if you need clicks, scrolling, or form fills before data loads. The highlighted section is your data container. Click Create Scraper, and Minexa reads it once to extract matching data across pages. Minexa has now identified all data points like dates, prices, and volumes. Select what you want, and they stay accurate every run. Developers, click API Request to get direct access with no token costs or latency. Hit the violet button to validate your configuration and move forward to finalize your scraping job. The navigation button is already highlighted for you. Minexa found the next page button without any extra input. Almost done. Optionally push results to Google Sheets. Then click Complete Setup and your job is live. The setup is complete. Click Run, and Minexa will start extracting your financial prices automatically. Every row looks identical across pages, with columns like date, opening price, closing price, and volume consistent each run because they were defined once during training and applied uniformly. Click Export, and your data neatly fits into columns and rows, perfect for Excel, JSON, or further analysis. Whatever data you see on a website, Minexa can extract it. Developers get fast, reliable results with no token costs, no hallucinations, and zero maintenance.